Halo sobat-sobat Deka, ketemu lagi di channel The Karanganjar bersama mendirnya The Karanganjar. Kali ini kita akan ditemani oleh sobat-sobat kita, ya bisa lihat kira-kira dari negara mana aja. Okay, so I want you to introduce yourself, name and the background country and also your background, occupation, things like that. So start from.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello everybody, this is Dave from Colombia, 36 years old. I used to be an engineer, but now I'm a traveler. Living in Australia for 5 years, now here in Indonesia. Thank you for having me.
Okay, gracias. So from Colombia.
Colombia, yeah.
So if I'm here in Colombia, I always automatically sing. Soy el fuego que arde tu piel.
Soy el fuego que arde tu piel.
You know?
Yeah.
Mungkin teman-teman yang suka nonton Netflix. Okay, so and you?
Hello everybody, I'm Bernadette. My nickname is Berna from Germany.
From Germany.
Germany, yes. I have been living in Australia for the last 5 years. And in Australia I have been working mainly in hospitality as a cafe supervisor.
Okay, so so you're quite experienced in coffee.
Yes.
Yeah, which part of Germany?
From the South Bavaria, close to Munich.
Bayern München.
Bayern München,
Okay,
yes.
so when was the last time Germany against Colombia in the World Cup?
You know better than us.
Females or males?
Male, I don't know about football.
Wait, no.
So,
Yeah, difficult one. Tough one.
so it was in 1990, and who win?
No, I think
Germany.
Come on.
Well, Germany became the winner of World Cup 1990, but they had a draw, 1-1.
Look at this.
Yeah, Pierre Littbarski and Freddy Rincon. Freddy Rincon.
Okay,
Yeah,
a good one.
yeah. Okay, and
Hello, my name is Johnny. I'm French.
okay.
In France, I was lawyer, and now we are traveling together around the world
Cheer
from
for
France
Friends,
Yeah.
yeah.
to now in Indonesia just by land. And I try to run like media about travel in the same time. So that's it. And now I'm challenging with the coffee.
Johnny
Yeah.
Zidane. My son said that he
Yeah.
looks like Zidane.
It's better than Lebel for other players. But Zizou is good, yeah.
yeah, Zizou. And
I'm Hélène, I'm from France too. I'm photographer and I already work for media as a photographer and I love coffee. So yeah, that's it.
and which part of French you're from?
I'm from the north part, near Belgium.
Yeah.
And you?
I'm from the southwest.
What's the
Is
city?
Bordeaux.
My city is Lille.
Lille,
Yeah.
Lille FC.
Lille FC.
Yeah, and you from?
Bordeaux. Girondins.
Girondin, Bordeaux. Yes. That's the origin of Zinedine Zidane, right?
Yeah, he played in Bordeaux a few years
Yeah,
before
yeah.
to go to.
So what was the
Juventus.
last time Germany against France in Euro?
I don't know, but we won.
Yeah, it was in 2021.
Yeah.
Okay.
France against
recent.
Germany, 1-0.
For
Kylian
France.
Mbappe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, not Mbappe. It's on goal from Hummels. You know Hummels? Matt Hummels.
Hummels won. Okay.
Yeah. But in 2014, Germany against France
Okay.
in the semi-final, Germany won
Yeah.
1-0.
But
Matt Hummels goals.
before Mbappe.
Oke guys, pada sore ini kita akan membuat fun game ya tentang kopi ya. So we will test about your sensibility in coffee. So we will give you 4 types of coffee, and you have to guess,
Okay.
yeah, whether this is robusta, arabica, excelsa, or coffee fermentation, robusta, wine robusta.
Inilah 7 keunikan dari wisata di Karanganjar Blitar. Yang pertama, bangunan zaman kolonial yang masih terawat. Yang kedua, jangan lupa mampir ke kamar Bung Karno ya. Yang ketiga, kita bisa kasih makan burung dara. Yang keempat, kita bisa kirim kartu pos lewat Priven Bus. Yang kelima, kita juga bisa kuliner istimewa loh. Jadi lapar nih. Yang keenam, kopi spesial dari perkebunan sendiri. Waitersnya bule loh. Dan yang terakhir, kita juga bisa berfoto jadul ala noni Belanda.
Iya, ini adalah Andre Bugar bule cowok.
Namanya.
Wow.
Namanya ini namanya Andre BCG, bro.
BCD.
Bule casing doang.
Oke, guys.
So robusta.
Thank you very much. Terima kasih, Andon.
Nah, there's one more.
So before we begin, so I want you to know what is coffee in your each language. Start from the French.
Cafe.
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 In here, cafe is a place when you take the coffee,
Yeah.
but it's the same.
Yeah. A cafe.
So I want you to drink
Café.
coffee in cafe. What is in French?
Je veux boire un café dans un café.
Yeah.
Okay, so in Germany,
Coffee.
coffee,
Coffee.
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 Oh,
Coffee.
ca-
Similar.
Yes.
But cafe for the coffee shop,
Coffee.
or the same?
Yeah.
Okay.
Easy.
And in
Oh
Spanish,
my gosh, it's cafe as well.
cafe and cafe.
Cafe, yeah. Going to a cafe.
Ah.
To
Yeah.
drink
A
a
bakery
cafe.
as well. You can drink a coffee in a bakery.
Yes.
Cafe.
So we say cafe and coffee.
Cafe and
Yeah, cafe is the place. Coffee is the drink.
Ah.
Okay. So you have to choose,
Okay.
please.
Let's go.
Girls first.
Yeah. So you choose and decide.
Okay.
The
Okay. I think
I
this
think
one.
I know.
Yeah.
what
Hey,
it
wait.
is.
So just don't
Keep it
say
for
it
you.
yet, and it's for you. Yeah. Okay. So
Okay.
if you already sure, and please be
Oh my
confident with yourself. So don't be what is it like? Terpengaruh, influenced by the other answer. Okay.
Yes, it's right.
Okay. We can start from
No, from me, please.
So
Ellen of Troy,
I think it's the robusta.
Robusta.
Yeah.
Okay.
no.
If it's not, I'm very bad. C'est pas lui. Oh my God.
Good
It's
guys.
very easy. It's
Okay.
You with that one.
Zizu.
I hesitate, but
Les Bleus.
for me
I'm
it's
not sure.
Arabica, but I hesitate with Excelsa. Arabica, sorry.
Arabica.
Yeah.
So this is Robusta Arabica.
No, for me it's Robusta.
No. You
No,
want to
just
use
yours.
your cup.
Yes, for you.
This one Arabica.
Arabica.
Yeah.
You?
But I'm not sure.
Robusta.
No, I'm saying this one is Robusta.
I think you're right. Yes.
Okay.
Robusta.
And
I'm between Excelsa and fermented. However, I think I'm going for fermented.
fermented. So, okay, let's see who can answer it right.
Je veux dire
Oh,
Silakan,
it's
silakan.
pressure.
Ya, jadi sebagai informasi ya, Kolombia ini adalah penghasil kopi nomor 3 di dunia ya, setelah Brazil and Vietnam ya. Brazil, Vietnam, Kolombia, terus Indonesia. Aduh, Indonesia nomor 4 nih. Okay, so let's see if the home of coffee can answer it right. So, okay, your answer is fermented.
It's fermented one.
Oke, ada di bawahnya.
Ada. Enggak di bawahnya di sini, Pak.
Oke. Betul ya?
Dia betul.
Yeay, that is right. Jadi nggak malu-maluin lah ya. Oke,
Robusta.
Yeah.
Robusta. Berna is right.
yeay. Oke. What's your answer?
I answer Arabica, but I'm not sure. If Excelsa.
Correct. Salah. Salah. Excelsa.
If I try this one, okay.
No. Yeah. Blue.
Excelsa.
Blue Excelsa.
So Arabica.
Yes. Arabica.
That's Arabica.
No point for the friends. Yeah.
You can always pressure.
Okay.
Look,
Now
it's
after,
Yeah.
so we will proceed to the second round,
Oh yeah.
which is the last round. But before we start, I want you to know what is in your language. For us, taking coffee, we call this seruput. Like,
Okay.
do you take coffee like that or not? Like,
No.
No, we don't do it.
Sipping.
it's the best way to taste the coffee.
Yeah, yeah.
Because
Yeah, yeah,
if
yeah.
you
It's like
if
wine.
you taste it with your tongue, it's feel more bitter. So you need to dissolve the coffee to the air, so you
Yeah.
can taste the aftertaste. Do you have a culture like that in?
Sipping.
Yeah,
In English,
for
we say
wine.
sipping.
I don't know.
For wine.
Sipping.
Yeah.
In
We
English.
say seruput. So
Yeah.
yeah, we say seruput. What is in Spanish?
Oof, actually, I couldn't tell in Spanish. Will it be like
Seruputo.
test? Yeah, like a test the coffee.
Yeah, what is in
and
Spanish?
and probar, maybe.
Provar. Okay, seruput provar. What is in Germany?
In German, it is slurfen.
Slurpen. Yeah, yes, it makes sense. Like slurp. Yeah.
Slurfen.
In French.
In French, maybe aspirer, but I
Yeah,
don't have the
aspirer.
technical
Aspirer.
word.
Aspire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure we have a specific word,
Yeah.
but aspirer looks
For
like
me,
this.
it's like testing, and you throw it. You have to throw it after to.
But it doesn't sound like aspire. Really like seruput
Yeah,
and
yeah,
slurp is.
aspirer. Or
I don't know the word. There is specific word, but I
I'm
don't
not
know.
sure.
Okay, aspire,
don't do
aspire.
it.
Common.
Faustino Aspire, you know, from Colombia.
Aspire.
Faustino Aspire.
Faustino Aspirilla.
Aspire. Tahu dia guys, generasi tua dia. Okay, now the second round. Nah, ini. Nah, ini namanya Tumenggung Jaga Nusantara ini ya. Ya, say hello.
Yeah.
The Karanganjar Coffee.
Alright, ready for the next round?
Yes.
Yes.
Now it's getting more difficult.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There's numbers, so let's mix them up.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
Number
4.
2.
Five, three, five.
Nah, it's a 5 or 4.
Jadi untuk game kedua ini, nah kita mau lebih lebih brutal ya. Jadi ini adalah 4 kopi robusta. Jadi yang ada yang manis ya, ada yang mereka kan nggak ngerti bahasa Indonesia ya. Jadi ada yang tanpa gula, ada yang pakai gula, pakai susu, dan pakai garam. Nanti kita lihat siapa yang apes ya. Okay, so for this are robusta.
Okay.
So you just have to guess what we mix with robusta. Either this is pure robusta or robusta with sugar or something. You have to try to guess.
So they are all robusta.
All robusta.
Yeah, okay.
You have to guess a robusta mixed with what?
Yeah.
So we have to try one by one. Okay? Okay. Who will go first?
Okay, I go first.
Okay. There. Now with straw.
Mixed with milk.
Okay, with milk. Wait, later. Okay. So
You
who
want
wants to go
to?
first?
Okay.
Johnny.
Or maybe better not to say the answer
Okay.
yet.
Okay.
So yeah. Okay, save your answer. So save your answer. Okay.
Yeah, go.
Yeah.
Okay, Dave.
I can't say it.
Okay.
With spice?
Aku langsung ngakak.
The spicy.
Okay. Now start from. Aduh ngakak aku. Okay, start from Ellen.
I think with nothing.
Only robusta.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just pure.
And you?
For me, with a lot of sugar. So
Sugar. Sweet
obviously,
Robusta.
Sweets.
Okay, Bella?
For me, with milk.
Okay.
I think mine was the best one, you know, like you put maybe way too much salt.
Vietnamese
Inside,
style.
you know, like in Indonesia, you can kill with salt, but
Garamnya campur ya guys. Saya sebenarnya ini mau nyampurin garam campur sambal ya, tapi takutnya nanti mencang. So the winner is Dave from Colombia. He got the jackpot. Yeah. He can extra and he got the special coffee with salt.
Vietnamese coffee.
Yeah, Vietnam is quite famous.
really,
Yeah.
I'm curious.
no,
I
it
want
was
to
like
see
a cooking soul, you know?
Yeah, maybe too much, no?
So now you cannot forget this day
No, I think
for your whole life.
Don't put salt in your coffee, please.
Okay, so before we finish this video, yeah, I want you to give like what is it like? Apa sih? Yeah, like the impression about this place and invitation for people to come to this place. Okay, start from Ellen.
Okay, so yeah, I really like coffee and I was curious about it because it's the first time I'm working in the coffee and discovering like plantations. So thank you so much for hosting us and for like gave us your knowledge. And yeah, I recommend to come because the place is very amazing, very natural, and you can learn a lot not only about coffee but also about the history and the history of the place and Indonesia. So yeah.
Yay! Merci. Okay, Johnny.
So thank you because I didn't know too much about coffee. I drink a lot of coffee every day, and I can't like define the different types of coffee. Like Robusta, for me it was Rustica at the beginning. So thank you for all the knowledge, and here the atmosphere is beautiful. So thank you.
Yeah, merci beaucoup. Okay, Berna.
First of all, thank you very much for having us. It has been such a pleasure to be here in this beautiful coffee plantation. I was very excited to come here and also learn more about coffee and also get to know like more about the history of Indonesia. It is so nice, amazing.
Dankeschön. Yeah.
Thank you very much. I feel like coffee has been always part of my life. And to have this experience, my first volunteer, has been amazing. You guys have been like really open with that, really friendly, and thank you for sharing not just the coffee culture, it's just also the Indonesian culture. So I would recommend this experience for everybody. It's a really good way to travel. So thank you very much.
Muchas gracias.
Merci.
Terima kasih.
Oke teman-teman, gitu ya hiburan kita sore ini. Ya sampai ketemu di video berikutnya. So let's say bye-bye in your language in 3 counts, okay? 3, 2, 1. Dadah.
Muchas gracias. Ciao.
Halo, Pak.
Ajak.